invest $50 in any altcoin today, it will make $10,000 by June. The biggest altcoin season in the history will start in June. Now, one of the under-radar gems with massive potential. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Today, I will share with you this under-the-radar gem or the low-cap altcoin that will get a massive return in the month of June. Even you invest $50 here, $50 will become $10,000 by June. But always remember, this is not a financial advice. This is only educational purpose only. So what is the coin that I'm referring to? The coin that I'm referring to explode, or one of the altcoin that will explode in June, is the Robin coin or the RVN. Rank number 336 in the CoinGecko. The price is 0.01125, down by 7.8%. So based on the CoinGecko, drop by 7.8% in this time. But I believe this coin will explode from 0.01 to $2. So if you invest $50 today, you will get $10,000 by June. So the market cap of Robin coin is 170 million. The 24-hour trading is 16 million. And the maximum supply is 21 billion. You can trade Robin coin in Binance, the top exchange in the world, Mix, and other centralized exchange. Now, what is a Robin coin? What is Robin coin all about? Robin coin is a blockchain specifically dedicated to the creation and peer-to-peer transfer of assets. Just as Monero is slowly focused on privacy, Robin coin is specialized in asset transfer. So, transferring any asset, nothing more, nothing less. Although you can exchange asset over the other blockchain like Bitcoin and Ethereum, that's not their intended purpose. And the lack of specialization leads to problems that are specific to transferring assets. Remember, if you want to transfer asset using the Bitcoin or the Ethereum, the gas fee is really high. So Robin coin enables you to create and trade any real world gold bars, landage, or digital gaming items or software license assets on a network with only that in mind. What makes Robin coin unique? Robin coin doesn't have an established team, only the community. It's an open source project led by the core developers, Robin coin Dev, Tron, and Chaturga, Discord usernames. Bruce Penton, board member of the Bitcoin Foundation, advises the team. What's the story of Robin coin? The core developers launched Robin coin on January 3rd, 2018, and Fenton kicked off the launch with a tweet announcing the start of mining. The project gained some notoriety with Overstock CEO Patrick Byrne announced that this company had made a multi-million-dollar investment into the team. Since then, the team has been building out the core functionality of asset, support, and rewards capabilities. Remember, Robin coin can be used in buying gold bars, landage, or digital asset like gaming items or software license. So, not just crypto. So what next for Robin Coin? The release of Robin Coin mean an increase in activity in the platform should help the price. Any news of notable companies or financial institutions utilizing the platform should also have a positive effect. Robin Coins offer just one thing, tokenized asset transfer, and that is singular focus is not a bad thing. When projects attempt to solve a bunch of problems at once, they often create a bunch of problems at once. They often create a bunch of half-baked solutions. Robin Quinn is avoiding that. As a young project with seemingly endless competition, it's difficult to predict how successful Robin Quinn will be. But most of the non-expert or blogger, they predict that this coin will increase from 0.01 to $2 or $3. An active community and backing from one of the most respected names in online retail are positive indicators true. What can Robin Coin be used for? There's a clear trend toward the tokenization of all types of assets. However, we have yet to see whether or not Robin Coin will be leading that change. So you can buy Robin Coin in STX, Binance, and Git.io. Okay. So I hope you learned something today. And always remember, this is not a financial advice. This is for educational purpose only. Do it yourself. Research first before investing in any crypto asset. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Thank you.